Welcome back to the class, students. Let us discuss question number 12 from exercise 2.2. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? We are required to find the present age of Ravi. We do not know that value. The value which is to be found out or we do not know will be considered as a variable. Let us take it as x. So let us consider the age of Ravi, present age, in fact the present age to be x. Read the statement carefully. 15 years from now. 15 years from now means now his age is x. If I say 1 year from now, this is 2021. 1 year from now means 2022. Similarly, if x is the present age, 15 years from now means x plus 15. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be इधर हमको डालना है equal sign. 4 times his present age. 4 times his present age means the present age is x. 4 times of it is 4 into x, that is 4x. So according to the statement, 15 years from now, अभी 15 साल के बाद जितना भी एज होगा उसका वो प्रेजेंट एज का 4 टाइम्स के बराबर होगा. इट मीन्स 15 साल के बाद एज होगा x plus 15. 4 times of age is 4x. So these two things will be equal. So this is the statement we need to be framed according to the question. We got this equation. We framed this equation. Now let us solve it. There is a x term. There is a x term that is 4x. Transpose it to this place. So x is already present. X minus 4x plus 15 equals to 0. We removed 4x from here. So we subtracted 4x here. So 4x minus 4x will be 0. When this is transposed, the remaining thing that remained in this side is 0. Now let us subtract this one. X minus 4x is minus 3x plus 15 equal to 0. So minus 3x, let us transpose 15 now, will be minus 15. Now let's transpose minus 3. X equal to minus 15 divided by minus 3. Transpose minus 3 entirely, not only 3. If we transpose 3 only, negative will be there and it will be minus x instead of x. This implies x equal to, here two negative numbers are divided, so the result will be positive, and 15 upon 3 is 5. So the present age of Ravi is 5 years. Therefore the present age of Ravi, जिसको हम x लिए थे, वो 5 years आया. So this is the answer. Hope you are clear with the solution. Keep watching. Thank you.